Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. And we imagined a port to be a window to endless opportunities. In colonial times, ports were used to import finished goods and export raw material. But they never played a multiple role to bring prosperity to the region and to build trade and industry. And with this vision, Karaikal Port was born.
The land required for the Karaikal Port was made available in 2007, marking the first step to building a port for Karaikal. In May 2009, the Karaikal Port received its first commercial vessel. In a decade of its service, the port has developed a 1.2-kilometer quay for berths, a channel for deep drafts, and breakwaters to have tranquility, cranes for fast discharge, railway connectivity for smooth evacuation, and adequate open and closed storage facilities with a dynamic layout for operational efficiency. The Karaikal Port is strategically located between two major ports of Tamil Nadu, Chennai and Tuticorin. Karaikal's port hinterland consists of key districts of Tamil Nadu, Bangalore in Karnataka, and parts of southern Andhra Pradesh. The journey from 2009 has been eventful for Karaikal Port, with its receiving its first commercial vessel and first gearless Panamax vessel. In April 2010, IDFC Project Equity invested in Karaikal Port. In July 2011, Karaikal Port commenced container handling. In 2012, the port proudly berthed crude oil vessel, iron ore vessel, limestone vessel, edible oil vessel, wheat export vessel, and also inaugurated its oil tank farm. In 2015, the first coal vessel of a large power plant of IL and FS berthed at Karaikal Port. With a deep draft of 13.5 meters, Karaikal Port is now a new multi-cargo port, handling all types of dry cargo in bulk and breakbulk form, as well as containers and liquid cargo at the most economical rates.
Karaikal Port Control, Karaikal Port Control, this is Darya Mahesh. How do you read? Over.
Darya Mahesh, this is Karaikal Port Control, you are loud and clear, good afternoon, go ahead.
Starboard turn.
The port's warehouse facilities include 61,000 square meters of covered warehousing space, 650,000 square meters of open storage space, 4 edible oil tank farms, 10 covered multi-cargo warehousing spaces, and 36 plots of open storage spaces. KPPL's advanced infrastructure includes 3 mobile harbour cranes, 3 railway sidings, 5 operational berths, and 19,000 kilolitre liquid storage capacity. Karaikal Port is connected by rail and it's 1 kilometre away from National Highway 45A, National Highway 67, which starts at Nagapattinam, about 10 kilometres away from the port, connects the major industrial areas such as Trichy, Karur and Coimbatore, as well as Salem, Erode and Mettur. The port is also working on reaching national and international destinations like Colombo, the Gulf, the US, Africa, the European Union, Southeast Asia and Australia, catering to hinterland demand. Karaikal Port has India's largest and best established companies as our clientele, and they include: the Karaikal Port has been growing by leaps and bounds in every aspect every year. The cumulative cargo handling by Karaikal Port between 2010 and 2018 has been a whopping 53 million tons. The Karaikal Port has been a recipient of several prestigious awards and industry recognition. It has been honoured for several services in the maritime sector and for being socially responsible through its CSR activities. Karaikal Port aims to achieve 21 million ton cargo volume growth in the next 5 years. Expansion plans and improved capacity utilization are part of the Karaikal Port's future initiatives. The port plans to improve productivity by means of mechanization, addition of railway sidings, construction of bitumen handling tanks, container freight station and warehousing spaces, and increasing the turnaround time of trucks. With adequate land availability, the port also aims at leasing facilities for customer projects to handle cargo like cement, wheat, liquids, and project cargo. 5 major projects, namely LNG terminal with an initial capacity of 1 MMTPA, LPG terminal with an initial capacity of 0.5 MMTPA, bitumen terminal with an initial capacity of 0.2 MMTPA, POL handling facilities and bunkering facilities are part of the port's expansion plans. Karaikal Port is working with Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited (CPCL) to develop shared infrastructure for future expansion. Karaikal Port's CSR activities focuses on the welfare of the adopted villages through healthcare, educational initiatives, and women's empowerment activities. As part of the CSR initiatives, Karaikal Port is associated with MS Swaminathan Research Foundation to empower the rural populace through knowledge connectivity programs. It benefits farmers, fishermen, and women's self-help groups. As part of Green Kalam, a mega environment-friendly initiative committed to the task of planting more than 1 million tree saplings across Tamil Nadu, Karaikal Port has planted 100,000 saplings. The port also maintains a greenhouse nursery through self-help groups, which in turn maintain the flora and fauna of the port. The ultimate agenda is Clean Port, Green Port.
We started our journey with passion, which became our vision for Karaikal Port. But as Henry Ford said, vision without execution is just hallucination. Our vision has become a reality with the support of our inspiring workforce and valued partners that strive every day to grow together, inclusively. The spirit of entrepreneurship is to look forward to improve, learn and relearn, change and continue this journey with passion, vision and mission focused on perseverance, hard work till the desired results are achieved for all the stakeholders. Highly motivated team has been the integral part of KPPL's success. The team will take the spirit of vision forward.
Let us join hands to revolutionize marine trade and grow together. Karaikal Port, India's preferred and responsible maritime gateway.